Um, the first generation of migrants were working in the agricultural sector. At their villages, yeah, they were farmers, classical farmers. So they were producers. And then they came here, started to work in factories, and got to be consumers. With no school education, in the most cases, especially the older generation, illiterate, they can't write and read. So for them, it was only important to work, to get the opportunity to work, to gather money together, and to give their children a better future. And that's why they sacrificed many things. They had no social life, no possibility to go to school, just for the children. And the point is that their children, so the upgrowing and the next generations, have to know that through which bad roads and things their parents passed through. But our social system and system in a society is divided in classes. And once you belong to the lowest class, it's not so easy to get up to the next level. So that's why it is important to enable new generations that they have to go to school, to learn, to make a proficiency. And it's not necessary to go to university, but it's necessary to use this knowledge and these tools, these social and especially cultural tools, because migrants can speak many languages, can deal with different cultures, and this is something that we and migrants and young generations have to use as an advantage. And that's why like our organization and organizations like Atigiv, where we are today, try to enforce this knowledge, try to give the youth this thinking that they have many opportunities, many possibilities, and they don't have to be anxious and say, oh, my parents are from the lowest class, I can't move forward. No, you can. And that's why it's important to show young generations how important it is to educate themselves. And education is not just university or something like that. Education is talking to each other. Education is to listen and learn from each other. And that's why we are working in this fight.